your host, Maki. This time I'll be trying my hand at Kumiko Woodworking, a traditional Japanese technique for crafting wood.
Kumiko is an art of creating geometric patterns by joining pieces of wood without any nails. Widely used across Japan since long ago, including for shoji sliding screens, this delicate and beautiful woodworking technique is seen as drawing in a gentle light and warmth to homes. This time, we're visiting a facility where anyone can casually experience the world of Kumiko. Welcoming us is Naho Uchiyama, who fell in love with Kumiko and has been passing down this traditional craft to future generations. Through this hands-on workshop, she's also sharing the charm of Kumiko with international visitors.
These are handicrafts made using Kumiko techniques. Kumiko shares the same wood joinery methods with the World Heritage Site Horyuji Temple in Nara. Wow! What are the key characteristics? Well, the primary feature is that master artisans shave and angle each piece and perfectly align them through intricate and precise techniques so no glue or adhesive is used.
The materials used include Japanese cypress and cedar, which are known for their beautiful grain and ease of shaping. Wielding an array of tools, artisans fine-tune every piece down to the millimeter. They're finished to exact angles and dimensions.
These are a few patterns from the over 200 types of Kumiko. So beautiful. Every pattern carries a meaning. This is called Gomagara Kikko, which represents a nutrient-rich sesame plant and a tortoise shell. It signifies good health and a long life.
Others include the shippo motif, with overlapping circles symbolizing harmony and the prosperity of descendants. Sakura for new beginnings and prayers for a bountiful harvest. And rindo, representing love and harmony. Maki will be trying her hand at crafting a drink coaster with an Asanoha leaf pattern, which is related to her own name. Prepared are 20 parts in all. At first glance, it looks fairly simple. But
So this is number 1, and I combine it with number 2 here. Hold on, I'm already wrong. Slow that in from below. The wood aroma is wonderful. It is. We're using Hiba cypress today. Okay, it's locked in place. Perfect. Great.
while the process seems to go smoothly, it proves to be far trickier than expected.
Snap it in by pushing it down. Snap it in, yes. Gently. Whoa! You're fine. That's good. My goodness. This is difficult. It feels impossible. It's in. Phew! I'm exhausted. Okay, next.
5 parts remain. It's almost done.
So tough. Here I go. It's in. It's finally finished. I'm exhausted. But it's so satisfying when they fit together. It is. It's satisfying when it's done. Wow, it's complete. I'm so happy.
Maki successfully completes her coaster. She then has a cup of tea using it.
This is matcha. Wow, wonderful. Thank you. I'm so happy to be able to use it right away. Delicious. This is so good. Thank you. I'm so tired, so this is bliss. I'm glad you can relax now. Thank you. I really hope you promote this wonderful culture. Yes, I want to keep promoting Kumiko so that it never dies out and is passed down to future generations.
The workshop utilizes authentic wooden parts crafted by artisans. The experience takes about an hour. It's drawing in visitors as a casual way to learn about a historical Japanese craft.
This time I visited a traditional Kumiko woodworking shop in Tokyo. The techniques were just so intricate, and it's not often you get a chance to do this, and I really enjoyed it. If you have a chance, make sure to stop by.